we're gonna be
making a gallon of slime. We're making a gallon of slime because on Saturday, April 29th, we're going to be selling our slime
at the Orange County Children's Fair.
in there. We don't want to dump all of it at the same time because like we don't want it to be like too big. Well, we're gonna do all of it, but
We're gonna do tons of things. I'll do half of it.
Oh my gosh, I've actually never known what like a gallon of slime looks like in person. I've never seen videos before. So we finished dumping all the glue.
It's like
And-
up to like right here.
If you can kind of see that, like, no you can't. So here's what it looks like. I don't really want to tip it that much. So yeah, we're just gonna start putting the shaving cream in. That's it. Okay, so man, you can like kind of like see we have these sticks just through them, and now we're just gonna start stirring.
So we had to use our hands because it was super thick. We just decided to use it because, you know, why not? Do add that much. Everybody, this is how it turned out. Pretty good, really good.
Thank you everybody for watching. Please like and subscribe.
And make sure to go see us at the Orange County Children's Fair Saturday, April 29th.
Because we really want to meet you guys, and you can buy our slimes. And also, make sure to go on Instagram and follow the Slime Barn. Bye.